Today, what we're looking at is this exponential equation here. So what we want to do is to solve for x without using logarithm. Now, one of the approaches is that we could just simply divide both sides by 7 raised to the 3x plus 1. So 7 raised to the 3x plus 1, and I'm going to do that to this other side as well. Now, on the right side, we're definitely expecting that all of this here, because when you divide anything by itself, it does become 1. So we're definitely seeing where we have this. Take a look. We have 5 raised to the 3x plus 1, and this is divided by 7 raised to the 3x plus 1, and this is definitely equal to 1. All right. Now, if we can recall that if I have a square divided by b square, it is the same thing as a divided by b all squared. So this is the idea that we're going to be using now. So 5 raised to the 3x plus 1 divided by 7 raised to the 3x plus 1 is the same thing as 5/7. And we're going to raise this to the 3x plus 1. Take a look at the right side. Remember this principle that if I have x raised to the 0, it is going to equal to 1. Or if I have 5 raised to the 0, it is equal to 1. So anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manipulate this base, and I'm going to use it. I have 5/7, and I'm going to raise this to the 0 power. Now, we know that if it's raised to the 0 power, it's 1. Okay, so everything is still balanced. But now, because we have the same base, 5 raised to the 7, on both sides, then we could cancel our bases, because if we have the same base, we could drop the bases and work with the exponent. Because if we're saying that 5/7 raised to the 3x plus 1 is equal to 5/7 raised to the 0, then it means then that 3x plus 1 is the same thing as 0. And from here, we could just work this out. Let us subtract 1 from both sides. So what we're looking at, I could put it here, is that we have 3x is now equal to -1. Then divide both sides by 3. Then we're seeing where x is equal to -1/3. There it is. That's our solution. See you next time. Bye-bye.